Red One easy, then coming up, he pulls up at 400 miles per hour, 4 to 5G, and that means he's going for the full show. Once he's at command, you can see all the teams starting to collapse into our world famous Diamond 9. Reaching a height of approximately 6,000 feet, the aircraft slows to approximately 120 to 150 miles per hour. Before Red One brings them down and twists them around to the right in that Diamond 9. Red One, of course, in his second year as team leader, Red One in his jump on, known as Bondi. This is only 7th year in the Red Arrows. He could be year out in 2023. He's a former Typhoon pilot. He also flew the Tucano as a qualified flying instructor, and he flew the Tucano display in 2012. Red 8 and 9 now split left and right, change shape from Diamond into 9 Arrow in from the right. As the smoke comes on, once again, the Red Arrow. On the right hand side of Red 1 is Red 2, Flight Attendant Rob Thomas. Rob is in his first year on the team. He was taken from training and immediately made into an instructor on the Hawks at 2 weeks at Aria Valley. He then joined the front line after completing his own training and flew the Typhoon. He flew on operations over Iraq and Syria. He's also been an instructor on 29 squadron operational conversion units, all based at RAF Coventry. You now see that centre section move forward as the left and right wings move themselves backwards. In one of the widest shapes that we fly, Red One continues to bring them around the left. This is Swap. Once again, he pulls up over 400 miles per hour in one formation. He gets the ground move through the 89 flipping side, a second shape to the circle. 716 on the final side, this is important. But they can also change shape, reaching a height once again of over 6,000 feet. Before the one starts to bring them back down towards the display line. The aircraft now starts at rate speed 200, 300, back to that 400 miles per hour before bringing them back round to the left.